Good morning, Martinos. It's Ms. Martino here. I'd like to go through to help you out at home with our virtual learning what is in your math toolkit so that you know. So every day when we are learning together, I'd like you to bring your math toolkit, your ELA, which means language arts, a fancy way to say language arts, toolkit, and we'll need all our materials like our MacBook. Let's just have everything ready to go in a special spot, maybe like your school spot where you're going to do all your learning this year. Super exciting, right? Okay, so boys and girls, let's look inside our math kit so we know what is inside. You have cubes. These are called Unifix cubes or Lincoln cubes, and we have 10, 20, 30. And we will use these for counting and making patterns, but we'll all be able to use the same materials when we're working together. You also have in your bag something that looks like this that you could see through. So you could see my pup in the background, you could see Maisie. You could see her through that spinner. And if you go in your bag, you're going to see that you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spinner, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all you need to do is you're going to take, when it's time, we be playing math games. I'm going to put that spinner on top and spin it around. And that way, any spinners I send home, you're going to use this because I actually will probably use some spinners with letters on it too to help you. So just make sure you keep this really handy, and it just goes on top of all your spinners to help them work. I don't have everything in here because I added some tools when I went into our classroom yesterday. This is a paper 10 frame. I also put in your bag at school a foam 10 frame. It looks the same except it's blue and it has red and yellow foam counters. And look at, here are our red and yellow counters. And we'll see these counters in our math book. You see yellow is a little hard to see on my camera. So these help us with counting and adding and even subtraction. So that's a good tool to have. The other thing that you have in here is a 5 frame. A 5 frame is also something that we will use to help us counting with numbers to 5. And this is a special spot. We could write numbers in there or maybe a math problem. We have, do you guys know what these are, right? Dice. We have dice because sometimes we'll play games together, even online. Be able to play games together. Or I might say for your homework, roll. Oh, I got a 6. Color the 6 on your paper. This is just a little number line to 10 to help you. We can do different things. And boys and girls, when we go on our number line, we slide. It used to be when I was in school, we would hop, hop, hop. Now we slide on our number line. And the other thing that I have in there are little counting bears, all the baby bears. And we will actually use these in our first math unit, which is on position words, but we can use these for counting and making patterns too. So there are a few more things that are in your bag. I just didn't have a chance to put them in my bag at home. I'm going to go back into the classroom tomorrow and finish up getting all your stuff ready. So that is in your math toolkit. So I would just keep that handy every day in your special spot where you're working for school. And you will be ready to go when I say take out those things from your bag. Bye, guys.